My name is Sean Sultan. I'm with Sultan Hospitality, and we are at the La Quinta Inn and Suites, Atlanta Airport South. When I was graduating from college, I got an opportunity to invest in one hotel and just loved what it felt like and loved doing the remodel and the operations. And once I got started on it, I knew I was hooked. This is a 70-room all-suite hotel right by the airport. And we have a 500 square foot fitness center, which is brand new. We have a pool, which is almost unheard of by the airport because it's usually not mandatory. We do have an atrium style lobby that you can look all the way up and down in, and a glass elevator is really something to see. We started the renovation at the end of November of 2017, and we finished at the end of October in 2018. The bank that I found to originally finance the entire deal, they had a relationship with Stearns Bank for many years. And they advised me to talk to David from Stearns Bank. So I talked to David. We had some issues with the general contractor, and David would call this guy every day, every other day. The permanent lender was involved. The CDC for SBA was involved. They all saw that David had spearheaded getting us to the finish line. They held our hand through the entire process of submitting our paperwork and how to do it. They're very well organized, and they have a separate construction paying department. So you're not just dealing with people that are extremely busy doing 10 other things. This is what they do. They pay your pay apps. And so they make sure, hey, if you've made a mistake, they let you know, hey, just fix this, and they have a lot of patience. And so I want to say thank you to David and the team for walking us through and for our business being successful, which after the renovation, it truly has been. You guys have a big hand in this, probably as much, if not a little bit more, than the rest of us that were here on site.